about the basic mission they're at, and I think now she has people like Mr. Dahapute who are able to take this concept of social and grow it. I am aware that we are running out of time. आपली वेळ थोडी संपत आली आहे. आपण थोडा वेळ थांबलात बाहेर तर आपल्याला लोक भेटतील, आपले काही प्रश्न असतीलच. मला आपल्याला शेवटचा प्रश्न असा विचारायचा आहे की जेव्हा आपण काही सुरू करतो किंवा जे स्पेशली जे उद्योजक असतात, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स are supposed to be very unhappy. They are dissatisfied a lot. They always are not happy what they have. They are not happy with the status quo and they are trying to change things. तुम्हाला कशात तुम्ही काय म्हणायचं त्याला असमाधानी आहात कुठल्या बाबतीत की ज्याचे तुम्हाला कायम बॉदरेशन असतं याच्याशी तुम्ही आम्हाला सांगा. आणि आमच्या सगळ्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना जे आज संध्याकाळी आपल्या इथं आलेले आहेत त्यांना तुमच्याकडे काय संदेश देतो सांगा. आणि त्याबरोबर आपण ही संध्याकाळ आपल्या बरोबरच्या गप्पांची संपवूया. त्याच्या आधी मोहित, यू आर गोइंग टू बी रॅपिंग अप राईट? ओके. मोहित कलिग आहे आमचा, तो थोडंसं रॅपअपचं वाटते आपण जाऊ नका. फीडबॅक फॉर्म्स भरण्याची उत्तम वेळ. दिस इज बेस्ट टाइम टू फिल आउट युअर फीडबॅक फॉर्म्स. दुसरी गोष्ट, बिफोर मिसेस कांदळेकर लीव्ह द स्टेज, आज आपल्यामध्ये तात्या रानडे, डॉक्टर SP रानडे is with us. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. Dr. Ranade, many of you may know, Mr. Ranade, many of you know, he founded, apart from many other things that he did, his stint that he's best known for was a founder of a organization called Mitcon. He started Mitcon and ran Mitcon for many years, and he provided consulting and help to entrepreneurs like Nirmala Tai and others to grow their business and provide the appropriate help in financing, marketing and many other things. This is not a promo on Mitcon, but I'm so happy that he's here. And one of the things that really satisfies us is that he today said, I've been wanting to be a member of TAI, but I'm going to do that now, and we welcome you, Mr. Ranade. We are very happy that you are, sir. We would like to present a memento right after she finishes her little concluding remarks. त्यांच्या हस्ते आपण मोमेंटो घेऊया आणि मग आपण आपल्या विचार ऐकल्यानंतर हा संपवूया. बोला मॅडम.
माझं भाग्य म्हणायला लागेल.
तुम्हाला काय जागा ठेवतं रात्री?
मी खूप आनंदी आणि समाधानी आहे. त्याच्यामुळे अंथरुणावर पाठ टेकली की झोप लागते आणि जे काय खाईन ते पचतं. म्हणजे कुणी म्हणणार नाही की 59व्या वर्षी हे चांगलं चाललेलं आहे आणि व्यवसाय करते. मला लोक खूप विचारतात. माझा पार्टनर पण म्हणाला की आता जरा विश्रांती घ्या. बेंगलोरून आले आणि हे अहमदाबादहून आले आणि परभणीला गेले, कारण परभणी कृषी विद्यापीठामध्ये माझं लेक्चर होतं. कुठे अहमदाबाद आणि कुठे परभणी, पण मी दुसऱ्या दिवशी गेले तिथे कुलगुरूंच्या बरोबर कार्यक्रम. समाधान कसं आहे, एक 2 गोष्टी असतात. आवडता मित्र हा नवरा आणि छंद हा व्यवसाय. हे 2 कशाची कमतरता नसते. माझ्या मैत्रिणी आहेत, बरोबर आहे ना. तर हे करणं महत्वाचं आहे. पदरी पडलं पवित्र झालं असं नाही म्हणता, हे करते मी, हे खूप छान आहे असं म्हणून करा. व्यवसाय हा छानच चालतो, काही काळजी नाहीये. आणि जेव्हा आपण चांगलं काम करतो तेव्हा पाठीमागे आपल्या बरोबर खूप लोक असतात. पुढे जरी आपण असलो तरी मागे लोक असतात आणि मग मागे वळून बघायची गरज नाही, जे म्हणतात ना ते तसं आहे. एक मला टाटाने पुरस्कार दिला, 1 लाख रुपयाचा पुरस्कार मला कधी आयुष्यात मिळेल असंही मला वाटलेलं नव्हतं. पण ज्या दिवशी मला पुरस्कार मिळाला त्या दिवशी मात्र ठरवलं की आता मागे वळून बघायचं नाहीये, गो आहे. आणि तसं करायला सुरुवात केली. कधीही कशाची कमतरता पडलेली नाहीये. 4 आणि 5 मार्चला मुंबईमध्ये टाटाचाच कार्यक्रम होता. त्याच्यामध्ये मला प्रसाद दहापुते हे पार्टनर म्हणून मिळाले. फार आनंद झाला एकदम. म्हणजे हे न ठरवता अशा चांगल्या गोष्टी घडत जातात. आता आपल्याला तर सगळ्यांना माहितीच आहे की आपण जेव्हा चांगलं काम करतो तेव्हा कशाची कमतरता भासत नाही. दैवी कार्य आहे. मला आज ऐकून घेतलं, म्हणजे खरं म्हणजे हा अति दुर्लक्षित विषय हा, पण ह्याच्याकडे लक्ष देण्यासाठी सगळ्यांना तुम्हाला ह्यांनी गोळा केलं, ह्याच्याबद्दल ह्यांचे मी मनापासून आभार मानते. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ऐकून घेतलं त्याबद्दल तुमचे धन्यवाद.
तुम्हाला हे आमच्या सर्वांतर्फे इतकं सुंदर स्वच्छ असं तुम्ही थोडक्यात आणि फारच त्याला आम्ही प्रोफेशनल म्हणून असं तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन आम्हा सर्व उद्योजक मंडळींना आपण आदर्शवत व्हाल अशी माझी खात्री
प्लीज बसा आपण. मोहित and
Hi, I'm Mohit. I'm really, it's a pleasure for me to kind of share my takeaways on this session. I was just trying to make a few notes that I can share with you. So, one thing as Vishwas also said, that we have been looking at this again and again, that a lot of businesses are not started as business. They just started as something people want to do. And it just turns out to be, it's a very successful business. And most of us, when we look at this success story, we actually forget to look at what somebody who started, what they have went through, why they did everything, and we just look at the business opportunity, we look at the revenues, we look at the profits, and we look at what we can do out of it. I think what we should focusing on is basically finding out things that we really want to do, things we are passionate about, and business is something that will just happen out of these things. And a lot of young entrepreneurs these days, I mean, I'm also pretty in the same stage. We look at a lot of exits. We think about investments. कि हम ये business शुरू करेंगे तो हमें exit कहाँ से मिलेगा, हमें investments कहाँ से मिलेंगी, where the VCs, where the angels. But I think we should be stop looking at again that, and we should be focusing on what we can build with whatever we have. I mean, if you look at her story, she never looked at what she doesn't have. She only looked at what she has. The entire focus was on what I have. So these are I'm a woman. So she, in her entire session, we could not figure out any negative things that she was thinking about being a woman. She was thinking about being a woman, I have these positive things. Being a woman, I can go out to and build a trust. Being a woman, I can actually go out, talk to women and figure out their two gowns for each woman. So, I mean, focusing on not on exits, focusing not on investment, focusing on what really makes business is very important. And I think again, so she has not done MBA, but she has actually so nicely understood the concepts of business and startups. Whatever she was doing, she was building a prototype. This is very, very important. I mean, a lot of entrepreneurs today, we think of an idea, we get so excited and go out and build everything, put all their eggs in the same basket. It's really important to build a prototype and then go ahead and build the entire business. And second thing, she was also focusing on, so I have seen a lot of people actually doing vermicomposting, biogas things, but people don't build out a system out of it. I mean, if you look at her thing, the way she was doing, she was actually putting in numbers. So, itna खाद से इतना gas बनेगा, इतना gas से इतना electricity बनेगा. So, thinking of those things is very, very important, which a lot of us miss out on. So, I think building out system is really important to build a scalable business enterprise. And I think last but not least, doing any good thing is always good for business. So, as we say, that good business is good for business. So, I think that's what we should be focusing on. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I want to take a couple of minutes to thank Nirmala Tai for coming here. Really appreciate. Thank you very much for a great presentation and very inspiring story, I must say. I also want to thank all the charter members. I see Uday, I just saw Hemant walk in, Vishwas Mahajan, Ankur, and all the volunteers to make this a success. We do have, I think Vishwas already announced the next event. We have an event on 19th of August. We'll have another My Story session. You'll hear from Namita about this. And we also have a breakfast meeting the last Thursday of this month. So do come and join in. I also want to thank all of you for coming here. And so let's call this an evening. I really appreciate all of you coming and encouraging all of us. So look forward to your feedback forms. And once again, I want to shamelessly ask again for a membership. The Thai chapter runs on membership, so please, for those of you who are not members yet and would like to become a member, talk to any one of us. We're very happy to explain to you what we do, etc. Unfortunately, Namita, who is our executive director, she's not here today, but feel free to contact any one of us and become members and join this exciting journey. We are here to foster entrepreneurship in our ecosystem. Do join us. We think this is the way to move forward. Thanks a lot once again.
Can I have the name of the company, Viva? You should explain the meaning of that. she will explain. Maybe the name Viva.